Which city do you live in? In United Kingdom?
Newcastle.
Newcastle. Okay. Newcastle United is well known for football club. So, do you watch
Yeah.
football? Do you watch football?
Not really.
Yeah, not really. But I know. Do you know any other language except English as it's the first language? So I want to, you know what? My language is Bangla. We had to battle to get this language. Okay. So, do you want to know or do you want to listen our sound, our native sound?
Okay.
Okay. So, what sentence do you want to know in Bangla?
Hi, how are you?
Hi meaning hi. We say hi. There's no difference. Okay. And how are you? That means Tumi kemon aso. Yeah, you can say please.
Someone.
Tumi,
Hmm.
Tumi.
To me.
Yeah, kemon
Come on.
aso.
Aso.
Oh, Tumi kemon aso.
To me, kasum.
Yeah,
Kasum
okay.
amaso.
Okay, very closer. Very closer. Very closer. You are going very closer. So, Tumi kemon aso. Can you repeat again?
To me, kamo.
Aso.
To me, kamo aso.
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 Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Tumi kemon aso. Wow, beautiful. So happy as you speak my language Bangla. Okay, I'm really so appreciated.
Yeah.
Really so appreciated. Do you want to know another sentence in Bangla?
Um. How do you say I'm hungry?
Yeah, okay. It's I'm hungry. That I am hungry. That meaning in Bangla, ami ক্ষুধার্ত. I meaning ami. Ami
Ami.
ক্ষুধার্ত.
Pujato.
ক্ষুধার্ত.
Pudacho.
K for it's okay. K for khu. K for khu.
Oh, ku.
ক্ষুধার্ত.
Kudacho.
Yeah, আমি ক্ষুধার্ত.
Kudato. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm hungry. That means আমি ক্ষুধার্ত.
Ami kudato.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Perfect. You such a beautiful lady that you are trying to learn Bangla. So happy. So happy. You're so beautiful lady. And you are giving your valuable time. What else I want? It's my best time that I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
So, any other sentence? Do you want to know? I want to eat rice. I want to eat rice. Do you want to listen? What is the meaning of Bangla?
Yeah.
That meaning, আমি ভাত খেতে চাই. আমি ভাত
And ami pad.
খেতে চাই.
Kitusai.
Yeah, আমি ভাত খেতে চাই.
Ami pad kisasai.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It's very, very beautiful. Beautiful. You are really absolutely brilliant. Really so brilliant that you are catching our sound. You're learning my language very faster way. Okay. So, how are you meaning? তুমি কেমন আছো?
Ami kasmo.
তুমি
Ami kasmo. To me,
কেমন
kamo
আছো?
aso.
Yeah, তুমি কেমন আছো?
Kama as.
Yeah.
Ami aso.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. You know what? Bangla is one of the 7th largest language. Okay, first English, then Chinese, then Russia. Sorry, then Spanish probably. I'm not sure exactly. but Bangla is seventh more largest language.